All right, go for it. Come on down, buddy. There might be babies in that rack. Take a look in the rack behind you.
There are babies, yeah.
No, but the other one jumped out of the yard, so there's two in here. How many are in here? Do you want to roll the tarp ahead?
Yeah, I want that inside.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Only one of us is getting out of here.
It's either that or I leave them in there. I could just continue about chaining it down and leave them in there. I don't know what else to do.
I'd leave them. Good bro tomorrow night.
We're trying out in the night, maybe.
Bye, Matt.
The only problem is you got no way out if he decides to get vicious.
Yeah, but that's okay. Matt's used to it. He's a good boy.
Oh, yeah, he's coming down. We're gonna have to get the sheriff here to evict him.
You gotta put this on YouTube, eh?
Oh, absolutely. Totally. You guys are going above and beyond the Call of Duty here.
Oh, shit. Yeah, he's coming down.
Come on. Here he comes. Move the shovel, see if he'll jump now. There you go. Elevator coming down. There you go. Bring him down. Bring him down. Bring him down. Oh, he's.
Yeah, you got him.
I don't know what you're gonna do.
Shake him. There you go.
Okay. Get him out of here. Where is he? He's... Evict him. Get him out of here. Oh. There we go. See ya. Now, is there any more in the rack there? Go up top and look in behind the rack, or you want me to do it? Here, let me do it. Yeah, that's what got him out of here, is when I was pulling the chains out of the rack. He just climbed out, jumped in the back. What's in this corner here? Do you see any babies or anything? We're good?
No.
We got them both evicted?
Yeah, still. Just came out with your grabbing shit.
When I was grabbing chains, he just crawled out here. I'm like, what the hell?
What the hell is that?
Well, one jumped out of the yard. Did I tell you about that?
No.